Why is Mercedes-Benz insurance so expensive? Imagine driving a sleek Mercedes-Benz on the highway, turning heads everywhere you go. Now, you might wonder why insuring such a stylish car costs more than others. Well, several factors come into play that make Mercedes-Benz insurance premiums higher. First off, these cars are luxury vehicles with a high price tag. The cost to repair or replace parts can be very steep because they use specialized, high-quality materials. For example, replacing a bumper or a transmission on a Mercedes-Benz can cost thousands of dollars, which makes insurance companies charge more to cover those expenses. Next, the model and how the car performs matter a lot. Mercedes-Benz offers sporty models like the AMG series that have powerful engines and high horsepower. These cars are considered riskier to insure because they encourage faster driving and have a higher chance of accidents. For instance, an AMG C63 with its performance features will have higher premiums than a more modest GLA 250 SUV. Theft risk also influences insurance costs. Luxury vehicles like Mercedes-Benz are often targeted by thieves because of their high resale value and desirability. This increased theft risk pushes premiums higher since insurance companies have to pay out more if the car gets stolen. The body style of the vehicle can make a difference too. Convertibles and coupes tend to cost more to insure than sedans because they are more prone to damage or theft. For example, a Mercedes-Benz convertible might have higher premiums than a standard sedan because of its increased vulnerability. Where you live and your personal driving history also play roles. If you live in a city with high traffic or crime rates, your premiums could go up. Similarly, if you are a young driver or have a history of accidents, insurance costs will likely be higher. Your credit score can also influence the rate, as insurers often see better scores as lower risk. Some Mercedes-Benz owners opt for specialized insurance plans offered directly by the manufacturer. These plans might include perks like new car replacement or roadside assistance but can come with slightly higher premiums. In essence, the high cost of insuring a Mercedes-Benz comes from its luxury status, expensive repair costs, higher theft risk, and performance features. These factors, combined with where you live and your driving record, all contribute to the higher premiums compared to regular vehicles. If you choose a sportier or more valuable model, expect to pay a bit more for insurance.